Hey everybody, so in this video we're going to look at how to aim high and live in the present moment. Now if you haven't already, hit subscribe and hit that little notifications bell so you get a cheeky little notification every time I upload a new video. So like I said, let's look at how to aim high, okay? So many of us, we don't really shoot for the stars. We're realistic about our goals and dreams, and there's nothing really that pulls somebody forward about being realistic and being sensible. There's nothing that's going to pull you out of bed in the morning. You know, maybe it's not to say that you need to be, I don't know, wanting to travel to space. I mean, if you do, great. But you know, what is aiming high for me is not necessarily aiming high for you. And that's not a criticism, it's just that we all have different standards. So it's not to say that everybody should want, I don't know, billions of pounds, and it's not to say that everybody should just want, you know, a nice house and to pay their bills. Both are exactly perfect as they are. But aiming high is just different. It's different people's standards of aiming high. But we should all aim high by our own standards. Don't ever aim for the sensible, please. But when you're aiming high and when you're looking for that goal and you're aiming for that big achievement, whatever it is, don't forget to just be totally present in the moment. Because we can get so lost in where we're going that we forget to enjoy where we are. You know, and where we are is where the joy actually is, because no matter what our goal is, no matter what our achievement is, no matter what we want in life, once we get it, we will want more. And that's not a bad thing. That's just life. Most of us are success driven, and again, success is relative. Success for me isn't necessarily success for you, but we're all driven by success. And once we achieve one thing, then after a while we get used to achieving that one thing, and then we want more. You know, just look at yourselves. You know, maybe you had a job that you always wanted, or maybe it was you always wanted to earn a certain amount of money a month, and maybe you earn that now, and you probably want to earn more. If you don't want to earn more already, you want to earn more like later on, because you get used to it. You increase your standard of living, so you want more money, you want more, and that's okay. That's natural. It's what we all do. But it's to realise that success isn't going to bring us happiness. Yes, oh my gosh, aim high, aim so fucking high, but enjoy the present moment. Enjoy the fact that you get to, I don't know, sit in a mildly warm conservatory that's full of odd gym equipment and talk to a phone. Like, enjoy that. Like, enjoy the fact that you can spend time with your family. Enjoy the fact that you wake up every morning. Enjoy that. Be present. Be present when you're having a conversation with a friend. Be present when you're eating your meal. And I'm holding my hand up because I wasn't present when I just ate my last meal. I wolfed it down me. And actually I thought afterwards, because I knew what I was going to do the video about, I was like, oh yeah, I wasn't really present for that. And it's okay, we're always on a journey, we're always learning, we're always growing. And you know, part of the reason I do these videos is because I'm learning and growing myself, and the more I learn, the more I want to teach it, and the more I teach it, the more I learn. So you know, please teach what you know as well, because you will only ever learn more from that. You're never going to learn less from it. But just aim high, aim for the stars. Aim for your dreams, aim high, but don't forget, live in the present. Root yourself in the present moment and enjoy, like I said, the simple things, the meals with your family, or the meals on your own, watching telly, going for a walk, the weather, whether it's raining, whether it's sunny, whether it's not. Because, you know, if we spend our life wanting more, if we wait for the good weather, or if we wait for the perfect financial situation, or wait for the perfect person, you know, our life goes. And life is a beautiful thing, and it's meant to be enjoyed. So enjoy it. If you haven't already, hit subscribe.